What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. So a couple of months ago, I bought the Apple AirTag, and I thought that little device was great. Could be used for numerous of things. And so I gave that away. And since I do also have Samsung devices, I was on Best Buy website the other day looking around. I decided to pick this up. It's only $24.99. So I picked it up. As you guys see, it's got some excellent ratings on it. This is one pack. This is the black one, but it also comes in the oatmeal color as well. I didn't want that color. I wanted black. But this can be used for numerous of things. So let's take a look at a few of the features here. So it says how it works. Need to keep tabs on something? Attach the Galaxy SmartTag to those precious things in life. Strap, double-sided tape, and you can also put name labels on it as well. Those are sold separately. They do not come with the device. Find it. If you lose your stuff, just launch the app and see where it's been last. Retracing your steps is easy. Take it easy. There it is. Thanks to Galaxy SmartTags, finding lost things is simple, is smart and simple. So in-range finding, find the important things in your life. Bluetooth-powered smart tags attach easily to your keys, bags, and even your family pets. So if your dog wanders off somewhere, you can find them. You lose your keys. A lot of people do that, and you can. This will help you keep track of it. If you think the lost item is nearby but can't quite find it, tap the ring button on your mobile and follow the familiar sound of your ringtone calling for you at the volume you set. Galaxy Smart Tabs have a Bluetooth range up to 120 meters without obstacles, and actual performance may vary depending on the environment where they are used. You also have out-of-range finding. Locate your things from far away. Your tagged items is out of range, no problem. Even when offline, the Galaxy Find Network can use scanned data to find it for you privately. And it's easy to stroll through a history of where the tags been to retrace it. You can also use other devices you own to locate the items. This feature is only available on the Galaxy devices. And then you got the IoT automation. Now that's simply to turn on your smart things in your house, like your lights and things of that nature, and that's what it is. So this is it, man. So I would drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and check out some more specs on this, or whatever you want to do, pick it up or whatever. So here's the packaging that it comes in right here. Samsung SmartTag, one pack. Got Galaxy on this side. You got a key, look like a bulb, and a pet right there. And then on the back of it, you got some other stuff here. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've already cut the tape on this. I actually took a look at it as well. So in the packaging, you're going to have your quick start guide. It's going to tell you how to get this thing hooked up and all of that stuff there. So that's your quick start guide. Then you got the actual tag. It's made out of a nice plastic bill, kind of lightweight. You got Samsung SmartTag on the front of it. You got your loop where you can attach this to whatever you want to attach it to. Samsung on the back of it there. You got a slot right here where you can open this up and replace the battery on there. That's what I need to find out. How long does the battery last on there? So let's go ahead and get this thing paired up. So I got my Galaxy Fold 3 right here. So let's go into the Smart Things app on your phone. Comes preloaded right here. So let's go ahead and see what happens here. Now I think you have to press this button here if I'm not mistaken. And there it is. So if you press your button on there, it's going to come up Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. A new device has been found. Add this device to Smart Things. Add now. You got to agree to this stuff here, so agree. And connecting to the SmartTag. Keep your phone and or tablet close. It says press the center button on the SmartTag. Made an audible sound. Almost there. Your SmartTag is being registered to your Samsung account. So they're making this pretty easy to set up, guys. No problem setting this up. So this will come in pretty handy, man, for your keys and things like that. You can name the SmartTag. So I think what I'm going to name this is Will. I don't know if it'll let you use apostrophes or not. Will's Tag. That's what I'll name it. Done. All right, guys, so here we are within the app. As you guys see, it's showing the name of my device here, Will's Tag. The next showing status. So within this, this is going to show your location and stuff. I'm going to try and blur this out. To use this feature, you need to go into settings and allow SmartThings to access your location all the time, even when you're not using the app. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but right here, you can see search nearby, navigation, and then ring. Share this device location. Members of my home will be able to see where this device is if you click that on. So I want to go ahead and just let you guys see how this sounds. I'm going to ring it. So that is what it's going to sound like when you're trying to find your keys or whatever you have this connected to. And then next, you got the volume. On the volume, you can play it, play a sample of it. You can go high and low with the volume on here. Next, you're going to have your ringtones. These are some of the ringtones you can set this for. You got bell, basic bell. You got basic bell 2, classic tone 1. Classic tone 2, 3, 4, on down. Let's go through all of them. That's classic tone 5. Then you got simple tone. You got simple tone 2 and simple tone 3. So those are your choices. I'm going to leave it on that one. Let's get out of that. Your category here. So this is what is the tag attached to. So a key, cat, dog, backpack, briefcase, wallet, bike, ID card, umbrella, emergency item, car key. Thought we saw that earlier. So no, it just says key. So this is car key, camera, luggage, stroller, remote, motorcycle, drone, laptop, wheelchair, handbag, toolbox, sports gear, headphones, tumbler, scooter, cane, walker, other. Whew. So I'm going to go ahead and just hook this up. Say car key right there. And then over here, let the tag find your device. So you turn this on. If you can't find your phone or tablet, you can press the tags button twice to make it ring. It will ring for 1 minute or maximum volume, at maximum volume, even if the sound mode is set to vibrate. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. This phone, or some kind of way it has my Galaxy Note 20 on there as well. So let's go ahead and try it. So there it is. It is ringing my phone in case my phone was lost. Then it would ring my phone there. And then the last section right here, turn on the lights with your SmartTag. If I had any of those type devices, then this would definitely turn those on. But that is it, guys. So you hook this up to your pet, car, bag, kids, whatever you want to track, and that's how it works. I demonstrated it ringing from my phone to this and from this to my phone. So that's it, guys. The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. The link will be in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I am out to the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.